The olive tree that stands in silence upon the hills of time, to hear the voices of the city as bells of evening chime.
The shofar sounding from the temple to call the world to prayer. The shepherd pauses in the valley and peace is everywhere.
Yerushalayim shel zahar v'shel nachoshet v'shel or halo lecho shirayich ani ginor.
Yerushalayim shel zahar v'shel nachoshet v'shel or halo lecho shirayich ani ginor. The water well for those who thirsted, the ancient market square, the golden sun that lights the future for all men everywhere. How many songs, how many stories these stony hills recall. Around her heart my city carries a lonely ancient wall.
Yerushalayim
Jerusalem, Jerusalem,
Yerushalayim shel zahar v'shel nachoshet v'shel or halo lecho shirayich ani ginor.
My simple voice
cannot abate me to read the words I choose. Jerusalem, if I forget, He made my right hand its tonguing